Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello, great people. How are you doing? Today we are going to talk about Southeast Igbo and the endless opportunities. Yes. Please hit the subscribe button below and let's go there. Actually, no one will tell you his mama's soup is not sweet. But that is not the case here anyway. Lots of people are thinking you must get to Lagos to make it big. Mbano. That is not true. Southeast Igbo offers great opportunities that are endless. Just shine your eyes well. This is Enugu, the capital city of Southeast Igbo in pictures. Southeast is peaceful, holds great opportunities for investment with high potentials for return on investment. It is a region with highly trained manpower and upwardly mobile citizens with strong global reach. Southeast is the home of Innocent Motors and several others, and other great industrialists making great impact on humanity. There is a resurgence of hope with many abounding opportunities for investment in this region. And it is the part of Nigeria right now that has the highest per capita income. Many indigenous investors from the region have shown that there are limitless opportunities for those with faintest idea of what lies within the region. Makande na agbaje Lagos. Ọtụtụ ife dị na Southeast ị nwere ike ime ndị mmadụ na-esizi different part of the world na-abịa China, Onitsha, abịa azụ afịa. Now is the time to look eastward, as the days ahead will be more competitive. New estates are springing up. Industrial clusters are being developed by determined individuals. New cities like Enyimba Economic City, Aba, are coming up on stream. There are opportunities: inland seaports, dry ports, cargo airports, modular refineries, gas infrastructure, modern rail services, independent power projects, mechanized agriculture, mining, inland waterways, transport and services, educational investments, medical hubs, manufacturing hubs, arts and sports investment. The unique factors in the southeastern Nigeria are well-trained manpower, peace and security, purchasing power of the people, and their global reach. Southeast Igbo is rich in minerals and other raw materials required for industries and all forms of development, including iron ore, limestone, coal, silver, marble, sulfur, sulfides, gypsum, fluorite, salt, barite, uranium occurrence in Imo, Anambra, and Enugu, kaolin, bentonite and clay, copper, oil and gas shale, phosphate, granite and building stones, glass, sands and quartz, lead and zinc, palm oil, rivers and deep waters, tablelands, valleys and mountains, good weather or climate. The future is definitely bright for investors looking eastward. Wow. I don't think there is any gainsaying the fact that Igbos are what I am about to tell you. It is in their DNA to be successful. I'm not trying to hail my people because I'm Igbo. What I'm telling you is a known fact, even beyond Africa. In fact, I will share the thought of Reno Omokri on why he said recently that there is no illiteracy in Igbo land. He said, as I read Cosmas Maduka's biography and realized that there is no illiteracy in Igbo land, he said he realized there is no illiteracy in Igbo land. You may laugh at an Igbo peasant's English, the way they speak, some of them, but he is laughing all the way to the bank, Reno said. You all know Reno Mokri. In these new nuggets, he eulogized entrepreneurial spirit of Igbo people whom are not more wealthier and successful in business than any other tribes in Nigeria and probably Africa. Though we may see them as illiterates, some of the traders with poor English or grammar, but they smile to the banks. This is why Reno solicits for redefining how we perceive illiteracy in this part of the world. Illiteracy needs to be redefined because of Igbo has changed what it is. He cited Cosmas Maduka as an instance, who is a billionaire without formal education. That was at the start anyway. I had later, after he was a billionaire, he started going to school. Cosmas controls the so-called literates, people who are learned. He pays them. Who read the four corners of universities today, he pays them. Reno then concluded that there is no illiteracy in Igbo land, and I don't think there is. The traders know how to count their money, their billions. You say they don't go to school, they speak poor English. Well, Oyibo Sesi, you may laugh at an Igbo man's the way his English is, but like Reno said, and the reality is, he smiles to the bank. He's more entrepreneurial. What education can be better than that? Reno went on. There is formal education and informal education. To me, anyone who receives any of these two systems cannot be called an illiterate. Well, Mr. Reno, you are so right, because we have so many educated people in Nigeria who thinks they are educated and literate, but they can't provide for their daily bread, let alone others. In fact, Onitsha main market has produced more graduates combined, all the universities as a whole. Yes. Likewise, Igbo apprentice system. Oh my God. Igbo apprentice system that this man spoke of in his show. The best in the world. The best incubator of wealth in the world. Igbo apprentice system. TEDx in his show made this comment, and he cited Alaba as an example. The best way wealth is incubated in the world. And Reno is citing it here, Igbo apprentice system. He said he has produced more billionaires than Harvard Business School. Tell me something. You have to take it or leave it. Igbos and business. You say they are not educated. But when it comes to business and management, you go to school to learn Master of Business Administration. There was a time somebody told me in Lagos that what a particular company that does Korea makes in a popular company that they do Korea business, what they make in 2 months is what an Alaba marketer makes in a day. And the Alaba marketer has only 20 staffs, and this particular company might have up to 1,000 staffs. Anyway, reactions as Twitter. A Twitter user says, Igbos do not joke with their village mansions. I said today we're going to talk about Igbo successes. IGBOLAND is also known as Southeast Nigeria currently. Yes, it's Southeast. Ali Igbo is Southeast, some part of Nigeria. And it is the homeland of the Igbo people. It is a cultural and common linguistic region in southern Nigeria. Its population is characterized by diverse Igbo culture and speakers of equally diverse Igbo language. You know, Igbo has variations. Well, you say we are talking about Southeast, but Igbo spread outside Southeast. We have the Anioma Igbos. You find them in Delta and River State. So, they can be found in 5 major states. That is true. The Anambra, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Imo states. They are also found in Delta and rivers, including Benue. And I had Akwa Ibom too. So Igbos are known for their hardworking and business-minded nature. In fact, it is said that anywhere in the world you don't see an Igbo man, then that place is unreal. Go to the waters of Bayelsa, where you think people don't cross. Igbo people are doing business there. So a Twitter user made a post recently about how Igbos do not joke with their village mansions. That is to say, Igbos, after earning all these monies, after working hard, they still go to their villages to erect mansions. You know, while this Twitter user made fun of this, a post, people were reacting en masse. And it got people talking and attesting to the fact. That is fact. There are several tweets. I will show you a few of them. So meanwhile, the Twitter user made a post recently how Igbos do not joke with their village mansion. We will, you have seen already on the screen, mansions of Igbo people, buildings, pictures from the east. And he posted it, and like you can see on the screen. The tweet sparked reactions. People truly ascertain to this claim by the Twitter user. You could see that via their comments. And there is a saying in IGBOLAND, it translates to, when a West gets home, it will mention the owner. This is a strong belief of every true Igbo son and daughters. Please tell us what you think. Who said people cannot make it in Southeast Igbo? Yet we see multi-millionaires emerging. Though I will still say the people of the region, they are yet to tap the full potential of the region. And I also think Reno is right that there is no illiteracy in Southeast Igbo. Please tell us what you think. Of course, like the Twitter user said, Igbos remember home. But do you think Igbos have done enough in terms of trying to take things home? Tell us what you think. Please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. You know, this channel promises to always bring you inspiring videos. I am Azuka Uzo. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.